This is Jeff Harris with Affordable Used Appliances and Parts. I'm with Keith Anderson, our senior technician of Appliance Factory Outlet and Mattress Kingdom. One of the most common questions I get, Keith, from our parts department customers is how and where do I find my model number?
Well, let's start with fridges real quick. Generally, most manufacturers will place it within the first 6 or 7 inches of the door. So you open the door and generally it's going to be somewhere right in through here on both top mounts, side mounts, and except when you got the freezer on top, then it's going to be in the refrigeration section, not the freezer section. So you always want to check your refrigeration section for your serial number. And it'll be a tag that's got, we'll use this one for example, that's got the information you're looking for, okay? Some of them are a little bit bigger, some are a little bit smaller, but they'll generally be within the usually first 6-8 inches of the unit themselves. On your ranges, most of the time, they're going to be on the drawer section with the lower legs, okay? The manufacturers generally put them on parts that won't damage or get abused. Your dishwashers are basically the same thing. It's going to be in an area that doesn't get wet on this rim here, or they could possibly put them on the outside here. For like I said, this is for most manufacturers. There might be a little bit different, but for the most part, that's where you're looking at somewhere around there. Your microwaves are usually going to be on this piece here, or inside the first few inches of your microwave, okay?
What about washers and dryers, Keith?
Washers and dryers, manufacturers basically put them inside the doors, okay? As for the Samsung right here, it's going to be inside here, and this is what you're looking for. It's going to say what it is and your model of the serial. The washers are basically the same thing, and this is not manufacturer specific. They make it so it's an ease for customers, generally for all the manufacturers. Is there on the door. Now over here on the top loader, which is, it's still going to be, this is your door, except it's a lid. You're looking, it's going to be somewhere here, or it could possibly be back under here if you don't have a dispenser like this one, okay? But it'll be somewhere in here. And your dryers, same thing. They're pretty much not brand specific. It's just they put it where you can open it. It should be right in front of you without too much hassle to look for.
All right, Keith, appreciate your time today. Thank you.
No problem.